afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to MPC Southampton. You may have seen such TV series on the internet, from the body coach, Lean in 15. I think the Royal Marines even give it a go, you know, Marine in 15. But now we have our very own special version, MPCT in 15. This morning, or this afternoon rather, this morning we were learning about nutrition and what we should be eating before our training sessions, after our training sessions. We train here every day of the week, so we need to fuel our body. So series 1, so we're going to be doing 6 of these, so get excited because there's going to be 5 more. The next 5 are going to be run by our students themselves, okay? The first one down to me, Miss Archer, out in the crowd there. We'll be doing number 2 next week. We'll surprise you with what that is at the time. Okay, omelettes. Got a pan, the heat is on. I've got 3 eggs already pre-mixed. Yeah, saved a little bit of time. Pre-mixed there, good to go, okay? 3 omelettes, ideal for one person. If you want to share an omelette, you want an omelette with rice, and maybe do 4 omelettes if you're sharing it with someone else. If you're training hard, then go heavy on the eggs, right? But we've gone for 3 eggs today. Before that, I'm just going to get a handful of onions, okay? I'm going to splash them into the pan there, give them a sizzle, and I've got some red peppers, alright? Beauty of an omelette is you can put in whatever you like, okay? Whatever you like goes in there. Bit of colour, bit of red, bit of onion, and just mix that about in there. Let's get that hot. Lovely. Beautiful day to cook outside. Don't need to waste our time in the galley. Cookouts for those of you joining the army. And there we go. What we're going to do now, we're going to introduce our 3 eggs to the pan. Lovely. Happy days. So that's that there. Just going to give it a little shake up. Let it do its own thing for a couple of minutes, alright? Got a couple more ingredients to add as well, guys. A little bit of cheese. Okay, we're going to get the protein, the fibres from the veg, protein from the eggs. We're going to add a little bit of calcium, okay? Some little bit of fats going in there as well. We're going to stick a little bit of cheese on top as well. There we go. A little bit of cheese. And we do like our protein here at MPCT, okay? Normally we stick a bit of chicken in, but for today, it's a Thursday. It's the last working day of the week for the students. So we're going to have a bit of ham, yeah? Bit of ham. Morrison's finest as well, not your cheap ham. This is good quality ham. So I'm just going to break that up a little bit and stick that in there. All our recipes we'll be doing in the series, okay, they'll all be quick, easy, and you can do them pretty cheap as well. A little bit of spare, but can never get too much protein in you. Never get too much protein in you, okay? I'm going to give it a mix up. We're on the outdoor pan here. Might take a little bit longer than some normal pans. Good, here we go. Oh, it's looking good, looking good. Beauty is the guys are going to get to taste this once it's done. I'm pretty sure probably be the favourite lesson they've ever had. And none of them are going to go home hungry, alright? None of them are going to go home hungry. You're going to wash it down with a good couple of litres of water, especially in this heat. There we go. Just going to let that do its thing there. Anyone want to come and have a look, guys, how beautiful this looks? Someone come and have a look. Come and have a look. Mr. Windybank, come and have a look. Have a smell for me. What do you think? Obviously cooking along nicely. Bit of colour. Bit of colour. There you go, Mr. Phillips. Obviously we're not getting a great deal of heat in the house. You probably knock them up a bit quicker. But as long as it's under 15, then we haven't false advertised at all, okay? Remember, it's MPCT in 15. MPCT in 15. There we go. Just going to mix it up a bit. If your omelettes break, guys, don't worry about it. If you're doing it for a competition, you want it to be nice and precise and beautifully round and colourful. But when you're eating it yourself, it doesn't matter, alright? It doesn't matter at all. Just mix it up, get it in there. Lovely jubbly. Archer, have you decided what you're going to do for us next week? Sorry? No. Still thinking, yeah? No worries. Nice and windy out here today as well, but it doesn't stop us. There we go. Mr. Phillips, can we just bring the camera forward? Have a little look. Nice little omelette there, 3 egg omelette, feeds one person, 15 minutes. Cool, we'll see you again next week.